Hey everyone, I just wanted to let you know that I added some bonus content to the Pendulum Alchemy with the Classical Elements course. There was a question in there about something I said in the section on how to choose a pendulum. I mentioned that you could choose a pendulum whose color or the light that it reflects from the environment can strengthen an element. And the question was asked me like, well, you didn't explain like how to do that. And the reason why is I didn't want to overwhelm everyone with too much information, but it's easy for me to do. So what I did was I created a bonus section at the end where I explain how each color corresponds to an element and what colors or types of light you would use to strengthen a particular element. And that is useful information because then you can use a pendulum that, reflects that type of light to help you strengthen the effect of an element that you're trying to work with to cause a change to reality. So super, super useful. I'll just show you the picture real quick. So I actually created a diagram I put in the course where I show how each color here corresponds to a different element. And I explain what this means, how you use it, how it can magnify effects. And then in turn, you can use this to help you pick a pendulum. This would be an advanced topic for those of you who are more advanced students. Also, this relates to color healing because you can also use these colors to magically get the properties of a particular chakra or an organ or other things that the colors magically correspond to in addition to the element. So it's very, very useful information at multiple levels. It's a bit more advanced. So I just didn't put it in the first round of this course because I thought there was already a lot of material for people to digest, but y'all are hungry for knowledge and the question was asked, so I was more than happy to oblige and put it in there. So please check it out, Color Healing with Pendulums. If you have not signed up for the course, please do so. I'm going to just pull it up on my website really quick for you to see it. So the course is on sale now until the 11th of February. And just go to my website, pendulumalchemy.com, go to courses. Right now, it is up here in the coming soon section. If you're seeing this video after February 11th, 2023, it's going to be here in the specialized knowledge section. And it's a rich course. It has lots of amazing information that will help make your pendulum alchemy stronger. It will also give you a greater understanding of magic and the classical elements and how you can use them in your pendulum alchemy practices, in your magical practices. A wide range of applications, but my focus is on using pendulum alchemy as the vehicle for magic. And yeah, it will make your pendulum alchemy work stronger. I've been using these elements now every single day and getting amazing results with it. Other people have been trying it out, said it's working well for them. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the course. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to email me or message me. I'll talk to you later. Bye.